don't have to glue it down because it is fully glueless. The wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut, so it is perfect for beginners. And this is an Amazon wig, and just to prove that the wig is still glueless, I'm gonna find my rat tail comb and just put that all the way up there just to show you guys. Hey YouTube, it's your girl kiannamoracia and I'm back with another video. Today we have a 12-inch glueless curly bob from the company Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. The wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut, and you guys can just wear it fresh out the box. The wig is 12 inches, so it is pretty short, but I wanted to do a short look because I rarely ever get short wigs. And the wig comes with everything you need fresh out the box, so it is perfect for my beginners and my girls who just want something that is very light and don't want anything that has, like, you know, too much effort that's needed and it's not too long. Perfect fall color. It's like a mixture between brown and like the perfect ginger, as you guys can see. So it is a very natural color, but it does add a little bit of spice. So if you want to try it out before the fall season, let me know. And of course the link will be below, but we're going to get into actually putting on the hair. As you guys can see, this wig is pretty short. I would say it's like shoulder length, as you guys can see from the thumbnail. I ended up doing the side part later on, but I wanted to show you guys that you can do multiple styles on this wig. The parting space is actually 7 inches across and 5 inches going back, so it covers the majority of your head. There's only about like a few inches on the side that's left off, but it covers the front enough to where it looks like a frontal, and it has definitely great comfort. You guys don't have anything that's covering your ears. It has like a sunglass design where there's a C shape right where your ears are supposed to be, so that way you can just pull your ears out from under the wig and they will be out, and you won't have to worry about the wig like eating off your ears. I know that is something that I personally dislike whenever I'm dealing with wigs, so I'm glad that they made the cap construction like that. And you have 7 inches across and 5 inches going back, so you can do a deep part at the middle or the side, or you can try to do like a little style like I did with the tiny little, you know, pieces in the front. But here we have that grip elastic band. Make sure that you keep this with your wig. You can choose to get rid of it, but this is what's really going to help secure your wig if you want to do any type of updo style or just anything like that. It adds some extra security, but if you don't want that, of course there is the regular grip elastic lining that's at the back. So recently I've been using a technique. I actually haven't been using my lace tint as much. I started using a lace mousse, and I don't know why. I really do like it. Only thing I don't like is that it takes forever to dry, and I didn't have my blow dryer with me, so I really did have to just sit there and spread it on the lace and then let it dry by itself. But the color just seeps into the wig and it just leaves that pigment behind, and it doesn't actually leave any product. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm absolutely in love with the way that this turned out. This product is like so good. I either use light medium brown or just medium brown, but any color works fine, and it leaves like such a light but like natural look on the lace to where it does look like skin. I know sometimes the undertones of the lace tint can really just look brassy or like heavy in sunlight because the color does show up a lot more, and we all know that our scalps are like supposed to be very much lighter than the rest of our face. But here I'm just putting the wig on, and you guys are going to see how natural it looks. So I definitely recommend trying out some lace mousse if you have the patience for it. If you don't, you could just stick to the lace tint, but I don't know, ever since I started trying it, I literally cannot stop. So I'm gonna definitely get my blow dryer and start drying it because I love the way that the lace mousse just makes my wigs look, especially with the glueless wigs. We don't want any buildup or any product. The lace tint does leave a very thin film. Makeup leaves like a thicker film, but I realized that the lace mousse is like the thinnest, and all you have is the pigment. You don't have any product left behind. So highly recommend that lace mousse. And here you can see that the hairline is very natural, but it does need some work. So we're going to begin shaping it right away with our hot comb and a wax stick. That's just how I feel when I'm around you. Started last night, we didn't say it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess? I should have stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way.
like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, ain't either. I was thinking, guess I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind, so.
This is actually where I got the idea to keep a middle part and try to do something with it, like a little tiny little style or whatever. Don't do me. I know that one side of my hair looks crazy, but we are going to get into, you know, making it look how it should. And I'm going to put a little bit more lace mousse before I'm done, because there is a white cast because I didn't put too much at the front, so don't worry about that. Here I'm just spraying some water to saturate the hair before I go in with some mousse. Now this hair was very easy to detangle. I will give them so much props for that. I used my coconut foaming mousse. It's the same one that I always use, the whole lot of body one. And I just went through with my hands. I did take out my brush, but I didn't even need it. The curls just really accepted all of the mousse and they were pretty easy to detangle. I didn't have to do a lot. The hair is super duper short, by the way, so it's not a lot of work, but I definitely didn't get like any shedding or nothing like that when I was finger combing it. And the curls stayed juicy. Only thing I wish I did the first time around was put some oil in it, but when I did the side part in the second style, I ended up putting the oil, so it all worked out in the end.
Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone who last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time.
I didn't really have a set style in mind. I just wanted to do something that was very cute and girly, so that's what I did. I was trying to like twist it up and do flat twists, and I was like, I don't know if this is working, so I took it out and then I pinned them further back. I know it doesn't really look like I'm doing much right now, but you guys did see that I ended up doing a pretty cute style after, and here I'm just using that pin. Now we're getting into that girly look that I wanted from the beginning with the flat twist, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, so it looks like a nice little, you know, just a cute little fun hairstyle. I'm getting the hang of like actually putting it where I want to, but here I'm just playing around with the hair. But as you can see, the hair isn't getting tangled or anything. It is still very saturated with mousse, but it just came out very, very nicely. I really do appreciate the fact that the texture is loose enough to where you can finger detangle, especially for a short wig. You don't want to get up every day and have to brush it. Sometimes you might be on the go, and that is what these Glueless wigs are for the days that you are on the go and you just need to head out real quick. So yeah, this looks super duper cute.
You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, ain't either. I was thinking, guess I should've stayed.
So this is the first look with the wig. The wig is a 12-inch reddish brown glueless, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut wig from none other than Beauty Forever Hair. And this is an Amazon wig. And just to prove that the wig is still glueless, I'm gonna find my rat tail comb and just put that all the way up there just to show you guys. Once again, this is the first look. I am gonna do another look with the original intended side part, but I did want to style it a little bit on its own. As you guys can see, the hair is very curly, very fluffy, and I'm not getting any like loose ends or anything. The hair actually didn't tangle on me. Only thing I used to detangle it was just some mousse and of course my fingers. I didn't have to go in with the brush. All I did was just use that mousse and it turned out pretty cute. I wanted to do like a nice little girly style, so I thought this little pin up was something that was kind of fitting for the hair. It gives me like a short and fun vibe. I am gonna go in and do another look with it. I think I'm gonna do the intended side part from the beginning, but the wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. Once again, you don't have to do anything to it. And as you guys saw from the beginning, the cap construction allows you to do multiple styles just like this without having to spend money on a frontal. So you get that glueless look and you get the frontal effect without all that frontal money. The length that I got this hair in is 12 inches. I'm just gonna give you guys a view of the back. So as you can see, the back is still 12 inches as well. It is kind of like framing. It comes down a little bit just to frame your face, but I'm gonna try the side part and then see how that looks with everything else. I'm not sure. The curls are, I would say the curls are like in between a water wave and a deep wave. So they're not exactly water wave, but they are a lot tighter and they're a little bit looser than a deep wave, so that way you can detangle them and it won't poof up as much. And here I'm just running my fingers through the hair again to show you guys how soft it is. Parting space goes 5 inches back, as you guys did see in the beginning. It is a 7x5, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that next style, and then we're gonna see how it looks. Off rip, I am already loving the way that that side part looks, but I did have to end up redefining the front of the hair. Like I said, I didn't set the mousse into those curls, so some of it did evaporate. So here I'm taking a little bit more mousse and I'm just going in at the front. Now I am going to seal that in with some oil. You want to treat curly wigs as if they are your regular hair. The reason why I say that is because a lot of the times people will just put water and like just leave it, but you got to remember to actually moisturize these wigs and take care of them. So I like putting like a very light oil, something that's not going to cause too much buildup, and I just use that to hold in my curls. As you can see, the curls this time are a lot more juicy around because I'm scrunching as I'm curling with my hands. The ends are even more curled, and then I'm just taking in some of that oil. A little goes a long way. You don't have to like douse your hair in oil, but I'm just putting that in lightly with my fingers, and the side part looks so good. And I'm hot combing that bump to make sure that it goes. As I said before, the parting space allows you to do a deep side part, which is exactly what I did here, and I think I like the side part more. So here is the original side part look. I actually think I like the side part a lot better than the other look that I did, but just showing you guys that you can do multiple styles on it. Here I'm putting my rat tail comb up there, and just to prove that it's all the way up there, you see it through the lace, and then I'm sliding it out. The wig is fully glueless. I rarely ever get short wigs, but when I do, I'm always super excited because I like trying new styles on them. I really do like this one. The color is perfect for fall. This is a view of what the back of the hair looks like, and as you guys can see, it's just very bouncy and all around just really cute. I ended up sealing in the curls with some oil because I am going to be going out soon, so I wanted to make sure that my curls last throughout the entire class. The wig looks super duper natural, and as I said before and like 1,000 times again, it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. The design of it also has this little like C-tab that resembles kind of like a sunglass shape, so that way your ear is not being eaten up by the wig, and you can pull your ears out instead of having the wig like over them, and it's just really uncomfortable, so you don't have to go through with that. And I think the best part about this install is the fact that it is an Amazon wig. So you guys know that it is definitely affordable. If you guys want something quick that you can just put on every day and you don't have to do a whole bunch of work with, this is definitely the wig for you. Once again, this is just the full view of it, and I'm going to show you guys the back. You get 5 inches of parting space still, so you can do multiple styles. You could do part on this side, part on this side, do something with the middle, but your ears are covered and you don't have to glue it down because it is fully glueless. The wig comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut, so it is perfect for beginners who just want to get into glueless wigs, or people who don't like long wigs. A lot of people don't like long wigs, and a lot of the glueless wigs are like marketed towards people who want these like long luxurious things. So if you want a short glueless wig with some color that's not too bright, I would say this is the wig for you. If you want to check out more from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon, make sure to check the description box below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.